Are you looking for a fun educational activity for your child?
Okay.
What are you doing?
Give me the pieces.
Rolling the
Then I need the pieces of the paper.
Join G&G American English Club's cooking classes for kids.
shake the bowl.
In our cooking classes, your kids can learn how to cook delicious Western dishes under the guidance of a native English teacher.
1, 2, 3. Put the sausage butter in the pot.
Not only will they develop their culinary skills, but they will also enhance their English language proficiency. Our classes go beyond just cooking. Students will learn buying ingredients, cooking real dishes, and of course, enjoying the food they've prepared.
I have
Yes.
cheese,
Mushroom?
Orange or white?
Do you want some mushrooms too?
They will even have the chance to bring some of their creations home to share with the family. But it's not just about cooking. At G&G American English Club, we believe in fostering a well-rounded cultural experience. Alongside learning how to cook, children will also develop Western table manners and gain cultural awareness. So don't miss out on this amazing opportunity for your child to learn, have fun, and improve their English skills. Enroll them in our cooking classes today.